If you are looking for a foldable, easy to use, adjustable grabber pickup tool, you have to check out the EZPIK. The brand sent me this in exchange for a fair and honest review. Right off the bat, it's right down here. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks, but it's really great. You got 2 magnets to catch metallic objects. It's just easy to grip, it's easy to use, it's portable, and it's foldable, which is the best part about this. So this is exactly what it looks like. So it comes just like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this up just like that, and then you open the other side. So this is a total of 43 inches. And then right here, you're just gonna put that down just like that. And then this side as well, you're gonna put that down like that. And then you're gonna use this handle right here. And then you're just gonna use this to grab. So you could grab this way, you grab that way. You could just grab a little bottle just like this from the top shelf or something like that. I've seen people grab remotes with this. And the best part is you could just take this with you if you really wanted to by just folding it down and storing it. It has this nice little lock in here as well. And then you just take this and then you just fold it down like that. Super easy to use. So if you're in the market for a grabber or something to help pick things up, could not recommend this one enough.